The County Assembly of Nyamira yesterday stood low again when fights erupted in the County Assembly building. This is an office that the taxpayers' money has been used to be set aside where legislation of county laws and that of national laws are being made, from the budget allocation to what we term as budget allocation process, the implementation of policies, coming up with new laws maybe for agriculture, business, entrepreneurial, and even political and advancement of leadership. But yesterday, the Speaker for Nyamira County Assembly, that's Mr. Enoch, saw a very long day in office when the MCAs decided to eject him out of his seat. We saw the clips circulating all over where the Mr. Speaker seat was occupied by Bonyatuta Ward MCA, Mr. Julius, who came and took the seat and led in the morning session. But we're asking ourselves, at what point should MCAs eject the Speaker of the Assembly? It could be one, the conduct of the Speaker. In most cases, the Speaker should be neutral in all ways. When the policies are being made, when the MCAs are debating, and when all the programs are being run in the Assembly, the MCAs, the Speaker is only to be remaining neutral and giving opportunities to members to contribute and even citing depending on the constitutional rule. So Mr. Speaker jana alikiona pale, na alipokiona MCAs wakataka kumbandua na wamechoka na yeye. Some were citing that he is part of the defendants of the Nyamira governor, that's Amos Nyaribo, who in the recent few days was facing an impeachment trial, something that did not see the day, maybe because he had numbers of the county MCAs, or it's not yet his time to be impeached. And this has brought grounds as to why the Speaker was being beaten up yesterday in the National Assembly. But from the other side, the residents of Nyamira could be asking themselves, did we really send our MCAs to feed their stomachs by serving those in administration and leaving behind the normal citizens and residents of Nyamira County? And this got many asking themselves many questions. And the reaction of some of the Nyamira residents is that the Speaker is really unbiased and should not continue being the Speaker of the County Assembly. While some are saying that he's doing his right work, is that the MCAs don't want him to remain in office. In parts of other news is that the Deputy President of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, was finally impeached yesterday night after a long series of discussions and motion all through the day in National Assembly yesterday. We saw the Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, to some extent being also accused of the same, that he was not that fair in giving the hearing from both sides, but he seemed to be comfortable in giving his remarks to the side of the majority that was impeaching the Deputy President. Now, the 44 member of Parliament who voted against the impeachment motion and those who voted for the motion to impeach the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, had made their day, and now it remains to the Senate or the upper house to convene a sitting that will foresee, will Rigathi Gachagua be saved through Supreme Court or through Senate, or rather will he want to go to the Supreme Court to contest for his impeachment motion? So that's part of the news that we getting here. Attached is some of the clips, and you went to see them. Thank you. Chidekenga.
Ogotumia akili yake bande gago tusumbua. How do you take majority? I'm telling you, as one is friends, you are the one. You can register in Dogo. Oh, Katata. Yani moro chenga ngata chori. Inu chori. Inu no chori. Ai ko batanga rasi yo kampaka. Bono okwa buri. So we are not going to allow.
Ya utole.
I'm telling you. That's all. We are giving you respect by allowing you to go. We are giving you respect by allowing you to go. You want to go here?
Aya nyanga na kai go bana. Akai go. Ninche nangu bate kamera. Kamera man. Ba sekre mono nyigolere. Umuga mtanga na diuke. Diuke to na rabu. Eh?